What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Panasonic TV so that the audio or sound from your Panasonic TV will start coming out from your Bluetooth speaker. Now to do this, first things first, you have to make sure that your Bluetooth speaker is turned on and is on pairing mode. Mine over here is currently turned on and is currently on pairing mode. And once that is done, the next thing you want to do from wherever you are on your Panasonic TV, you just want to go ahead and press on the menu button on your remote control. Now you can literally see the menu button over here at the top of my remote control, so I'll just go ahead and tap on it, and automatically you're going to see this menu at the left hand side of your Panasonic TV. Now from the menu over here, what you want to do is to just scroll downwards until you get to the setup option over here. Select that, and then you want to continuously scroll down until you get to the Bluetooth setup option. Select it as well. Now click on devices, and automatically your Panasonic TV will start to look for available Bluetooth devices it can actually connect to. Now over here is the name of my Bluetooth speaker, that is the BT speaker. If your Bluetooth speaker is also turned on, your Panasonic TV should be able to find it and list it over here. Now the next thing you just want to do is to scroll down and select the name of your Bluetooth speaker. Now it is now pairing, and automatically I have successfully connected my Bluetooth speaker over here to my Panasonic TV. Now what you just want to do next is to go ahead and click on the return button on your remote control, which is basically over here. So just press on it, and you can now proceed to play any audio or sound from your Panasonic TV, and the audio will start coming out from your Bluetooth speaker. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.